In food production, every minute of downtime means lost product, missed shipments, and money on the floor. That used to be our reality. Now, when a line goes down, the operator just scans the QR code right on the machine, and a corrective work order is created instantly. My mechanic gets the alert on his phone within seconds. No phone calls, no paperwork, no guessing. Before he even reaches the line, he's got full asset history, manuals, required parts, and exactly which shelf they're sitting on, right in his hand. Our system even accepts meter readings automatically from connected equipment, so preventive maintenance kicks off at exactly the right time before a breakdown ever happens. And the proof is right here on my dashboard. 98% PM completion, 70% downtime reduction, and a 4.9-star customer rating. Visit eWorkOrders.com for your free demo today.